Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I am doing kind of a part 2 to my online shopping haul. It's probably about a month ago already that I shared part 1 and things have been trickling in. So I'm just going to share what's come in so far. So it's really a mix of places. I have things from the Stitch Fix Shop Your Look section of the app. I can't help myself still. I'm so hooked. Yeah, it's dangerous. I also have something from Old Navy, I have something from Target, and I have something from Loft. So are you ready to see what I got? I'm ready to show you, so hang on one second. Okay, so first up is a dress that I picked up on Old Navy's website. Now, it's not your typical Kayla dress, but I love it. I've been wanting to try out this style, and I've been looking for some way to try it out, and when I saw this on Old Navy's website, it was under $30. I didn't have an invoice in the bag that it got shipped in, so what I'll do is I'll go on my email and see what I paid for it. I'll put it across the screen, and I'll link it below if I can still find it on the website. I think this is a really nice dress. So it's an olive green color. It does have, the material, oh my gosh, I'm jumping ahead. It's an extra large and the material is 55% linen and 45% rayon. So I didn't iron it or do anything with it yet because I just got it the other day, but I will iron it and make it look nice. You know I love ironing. So it has a collar neckline. It does button all the way down the front. Look how cute this dress is. I really like this dress and I'm very happy with it. Did I tell you, I think I paid under $30 for this dress. It does tie at the waistband. I like that the sleeves have like that cuffed look to them, and I think the sleeve length is pretty great. What do you think about this style of dress? I really love the color. Oh, bonus, it has pockets. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm so happy with it. I put it on with some tan-heeled wedges and I'd probably wear it like this. Or if I'm doing errands, I have a pair of shoes that you're gonna see next that, yeah, I'd probably throw on and do some errands with this dress. What do you think? I'm very happy with it. Can you tell? I love this dress. Let me show you the back of it. Yeah, I think the fit is great too. Yeah, I'm happy. This one is staying with me. Okay, let me grab those shoes and show you what they look like. Hang on one second. Okay, so you know I typically wear heels or wedges, heeled sandals. I need a little boost, you know, because I'm a little bit shorter. But if I were to wear a flat sandal, what pattern would they be? Take a second and guess. You ready? Yep. My signature Kayla leopard print pattern. Aren't these just darling? I found them at Target on their website and I picked them up. So these are by A New Day and I am typically a 7.5, 8. I ordered them in an 8 and they fit perfectly. How cute. They've got a little bow on the top. I'm showing you one, but look at how cute they are. I just love them. So wouldn't they be cute to do like errands in this dress and things like this? I have a red dress that they would look nice with. I have a black kind of t-shirt style dress they would look nice with. These would look nice with a lot. So like I said, I typically wear heeled sandals or wedges, but if I'm doing errands and things like that, Target, grocery store, pool days, beach days, I don't know how many beach days we'll have, but we'll still have the pool days, we'll still have the errands to run, and I'll pull for these and I'll look super cute. I just love them. I couldn't pass them up. Nope. They were calling my name, so they're mine. They're staying with me. They actually had a blue and white striped pair, I believe it was, and I think it was a red and white striped pair in this same style, and they were super cute as well. So I may pick up another pair of these because I'm very happy with them. I haven't worn them around, you know, to do errands. I am gonna run out after this, so I'm probably gonna wear these. It's warm enough here in Connecticut to wear sandals now. Yay. All right, so let me show you the next item. I'll be right back. Okay, so this next piece is a cardigan from the Loft. I actually saw Heather from Hey It's Heather open this. I think she ended up returning hers, but I thought it was such a beautiful color and I wanted to try it. It's a good lightweight cardigan for summer. I actually ordered it in a large. I sized down because she did say that it ran a little bit big, and I'm very happy I did. So thank you, Heather, for that recommendation. And the material is 55% linen and 45% polyester. The cardigan is gorgeous and it was only $22.27 when I picked it up. I don't know if the same sale is happening now, but if I can find it, you know I'll link it for you. So it is ribbed a little bit. Can you see that? And it is sheer, but it's a good summer cardigan. So think about the days that you're going into the office and, you know, you wear a tank or you wear, you know, a nice blouse. You can throw this over if the air conditioning is too high, you know, or going to a restaurant. I think it's beautiful. Let me back up so you can see the whole cardigan. It's a good length. What do you think? I really like this cardigan a lot. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. It does have a little bit of like a rounded hemline. I'm happy I picked it up. What do you think about it? I love the material. Yep. Let me show you the back of it. Yeah. So I have on white pants because I'm about to show you two other blouses that I picked up and I thought they would look nice with white pants. So I threw in a white tank because my friend Linda Roy over at Mature Sass, she often does monochromatic looks and then she'll put like a pop of color over it, and I think it looks so fantastic on her. So I thought maybe I'll try it, and I could probably wear it with my white pants and a white tank and just kind of dress it up or accessorize it. Yeah, I might try it like this. So we'll see. So anyway, let me move on. I have two more tops to show you and they're both from Stitch Fix Shop Your Look. Ready to see those? Let's do it. Okay, so this next item, actually the last two items are both from the Shop Your Look section of the Stitch Fix app. Before I talk about the items, I do want to mention that you can make a return. You have 30 days from the day that you purchase the item to make the return. So if it doesn't fit, it doesn't work like you wanted it to, you can just send it back. In my experience, they have sent me like prepaid labels that I would just put on the bag that they mailed the item in. I have heard and seen that some people aren't or not getting them with all of their items. So what you would do is you can request a prepaid label from Stitch Fix because it is free shipping both ways. So it's pretty easy. All right, let's talk about this blouse. This is by the brand West Key. I love West Key blouses, and this one kept showing up. I would refresh, I would click on it, and it was still there, and I was drawn to it over and over again, so I finally just purchased it. I don't own a lot of purple, and I think that's why I was hesitating in purchasing it and not, you know, jumping the gun. But I think it's a really pretty color. I have a lot of burgundy and maroon, but not a lot of true purple. And I think it's a really pretty color. What do you think? So let me back up to show you the whole blouse. So the blouse I ordered in an extra large, and it's 100% polyester. What do you think? I think the ivory floral print is so pretty with the purple. Again, I said this in another video, I think it's very feminine looking. I think it was a Stitch Fix blouse too, and I just love it. It's a good work blouse. It does have Rolltab sleeves. Can you see that? Yeah, I love that it's like, I like the neckline and it's like that wrap style, but it's stitched so you won't have any accidents, right? It is a little bit longer in the back, so let me show you the back of this top. Yeah, I'd like it. I'd wear it to work with white pants. You could wear it with jeans. I think I'm gonna keep this one. What do you think? Unless like purple is totally not my color, but I'll watch back and see what I think. And you let me know too. All right, I'll be right back with the next top. Okay, so I had ordered this next top, and then I saw two other YouTubers receive it, and it looked great on them. I couldn't wait to get it myself and try it myself. So I saw Alicia Martin get it in her Stitch Fix box. It looked great on her. I saw Carolyn from Carolyn and Her Clothes get it, and it also looked great on her. I will link both of their channels below. Yeah, and I couldn't wait to try it on myself. So let me tell you, I ordered an extra large, and the material is 48% rayon, 48% polyester, 4% spandex. Now, I like this top a lot. I have one concern, which I'll talk about in a second. So it is a wrap style top. What I like about this top is, look at, you can adjust them, adjust them. Oh gosh, it's early. I'm still working on my coffee. You can adjust the modesty of it. So if you want to make it like more modest, you can. I'd probably wear it like that. Yeah, I think I'd wear it like that. Maybe a little bit higher for work, but yeah, you can adjust the modesty of it, and I really like that. So it is like I said, a wrap style top. It's navy. I think the color is beautiful. I love navy for summertime. I would probably make this more of like a nautical look and put some fun red earrings with it. Yeah, what do you think? Now, oh, let me show you the back, then I'll talk about my concern of it. So I think it fits great, and like I said, you could wear it with white, you could wear it with white shorts, maybe a white denim skirt, you could wear it with regular denim. This will go with a lot. Now, my one concern, and I don't think you're gonna be able to tell, well, clearly you're not, because you'd need to feel it yourself. But if you have this top, or Carolyn or Alicia, Let me know. I'm a little concerned that it's one of those tops that would pill easily. So if you've washed and worn yours a lot, let me know how it's holding up. That's my only concern. And maybe it's just me. I don't know. Maybe it's not going to, but I just have a feeling that it's going to be. I don't know. Maybe not. I just think it's really pretty though. I think I am going to keep it and just, I forgot to look at the care. I think it said, when I looked at the material, I think it said you can wash it on cold, but I have to check. But yeah, so if you own this top, let me know how it washes and wears if you've washed and worn it. Okay. All right. Oh, that was it, I think. Yeah, that was all of my items. So let's do a quick wrap up. I'm happy with everything. I think I'm going to keep everything. The only thing that I may end up sending back is this, if I hear that it doesn't hold up well. Let me know. I'm really curious to hear. What was your favorite item of this haul? Honestly, I think my absolute favorite item is that olive green dress. Once I iron it, I can wear it with those tan wedges or those flat cute cheetah sandals or leopard sandals to run around and do some errands. So yeah, I think that olive dress is my favorite. Let me know what your favorite item from this haul was. I really appreciate you taking some time out of your day to spend with me, and I hope you're all doing well, staying safe, and I'll see you in my next video.